Hello guys, today I want to explain to you what Bitcoin is and break it down for you to understand the concept of it and how it works. It's the digital currency taking the world by storm. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And why should you even care about it? In just 5 minutes, I'm going to break it all down for you. But before we start the video, I want to mention I'm not a financial advisor and none of this should be considered financial advice in any kind of way. Nor should this be a consideration of buying any of those coins mentioned today. So with that being said, let's dive in. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. It was created in 2009 by a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, it's not controlled by any government or bank. Think of it as cash on the internet. It lives on technology called the blockchain, a public ledger that records every transaction securely. Imagine a Google document that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with it. That's the blockchain. So how does it actually work? Let's say you want to send Bitcoin to a friend. You use a digital wallet. Think of it like an extremely secure app to send the payment. This transaction gets broadcasted to a network of computers called nodes. Those nodes verify it, and then the miners, special computers, solve complex calculation puzzles to add it to the blockchain. Once it's added, it's permanent and unhackable. Miners get rewarded with new bitcoins for their work, which is how new coins are created. But there's a catch. Only 21 million bitcoins are ever exist, making it scarce, like digital gold. So how does it actually work? Okay, so why is Bitcoin such a big deal? Here are 3 huge advantages of Bitcoin. First, it's decentralized. No single entity controls it. So it's resistant to censorship and manipulation. You're in charge of your money. Second, it's highly secure. The blockchain's encryption makes hacking nearly impossible, and you control your private keys, like a password only you know. Third, it's global. Send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in minutes with low fees compared to banks or credit cards. It's like emailing money basically. And that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. It's more than just money. It's a movement towards financial freedom. Want to learn more about crypto? Drop a comment with any questions you have. Hit that like button, subscribe for weekly breakdowns, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.